Hi, welcome. Let's continue learning Amharic. This is part 3 of level 2 or intermediate level Amharic. Okay, so to do is ማድረግ. So what do you do? ምን ታደርጋለህ? To a woman ምን ታደርጊያለሽ? Okay, ምን ታደርጋለህ or ምን ታደርጊያለሽ? Okay, so to see ማየት. So you see ታያለህ, into woman ታያለሽ. So ask a woman, do you want to see a movie? ፊልም ማየት ትፈልጊያለሽ? Do you want to see a movie? ፊልም ማየት ትፈልጊያለሽ? So ask her, do you see movies or do you watch movies? ፊልም ታያለሽ or ፊልም ታያለክ? Okay, so I see a movie. ፊልም አያለሁ. ፊልም አያለሁ. Okay, so right is ትክክል. Right or correct. So try to say you are right. ትክክል ነህ or ትክክል ነሽ to a woman. Okay, that's better. ያ ይሻላል. That ያ. This ይሄ. That is better. ያ ይሻላል. Okay, so friend is ጓደኛ. Okay, so my friend is, there are two ways to say it. One is የኔ ጓደኛ, የኔ ጓደኛ, my house, የኔ ቤት, or the other way you can add a sound at the end, ጓደኛዬ, my friend, or my house, ቤቴ, car, መኪና, my car, መኪናዬ. So try to say he's my friend. እሱ ጓደኛዬ ነው. እሱ ጓደኛዬ ነው. To find is ማግኘት. To find him is እሱን ማግኘት. እሱን ማግኘት. እሱን ማግኘት. To find her እሷን ማግኘት. So try to say it's hard to find her. እሷን ማግኘት ከባድ ነው. Hard, difficult are kind of the same. Heavy in Amharic. ከባድ. So እሷን ማግኘት ከባድ ነው or እሱን ማግኘት ከባድ ነው. It's hard to find him. Okay, to be is መሆን. I wanna be. መሆን እፈልጋለሁ. መሆን እፈልጋለሁ. I can be. መሆን እችላለሁ. መሆን እችላለሁ. So I want to be a doctor. ዶክተር መሆን እፈልጋለሁ. ዶክተር መሆን እፈልጋለሁ. So you should is አለብክ, to woman አለብሽ. So you should be Ethiopian. ኢትዮጵያዊ መሆን አለብሽ. or to a man ኢትዮጵያዊ መሆን አለብክ. Okay, so he should be Ethiopian is አለበት. Okay, ኢትዮጵያዊ መሆን አለበት. He has to be Ethiopian or he should be Ethiopian or she should be Ethiopian. ኢትዮጵያዊ መሆን አለባት. She should or she has to. አለባት. Okay, ኢትዮጵያዊ መሆን አለባት. It and he are the same in Amharic. The verbs are the same for the subject it and he. So it should be አለበት. He should be also አለበት. It's the same. He, it is the same. Okay, so it should be easy. ቀላል መሆን አለበት. ቀላል መሆን አለበት. Okay, so her sister እህቷ or የሷ እህት. But more common way of saying it is እህቷ. Okay, እህቷ. So my sister እህቴ. My friend ጓደኛዬ. My house ቤቴ her house ቤቷ her sister እህቷ okay so try to say you should be her sister so to a man I mean to a woman እህቷ መሆን አለብሽ you should እህቷ መሆን አለብሽ you should be her sister እህቷ መሆን አለብሽ okay so must is it's the same as you have to but you can add የግድ okay to add more emphasis okay so የግድ for example to say to go is መሄድ so I have to go is መሄድ አለብኝ I must go is የግድ መሄድ አለብኝ I must go የግድ መሄድ አለብኝ so ግዴታ is obligation okay it's a must የግድ ነው okay I must go የግድ መሄድ አለብኝ you must go right now የግድ መሄድ አለብሽ so right now is አሁን so now is አሁን okay right now is አሁን so try to say you should go right now አሁኑኑ መሄድ አለብክ or አሁኑኑ መሄድ አለብሽ but how would you say you must go right now አሁኑኑ የግድ መሄድ አለብክ or አሁኑኑ የግድ መሄድ አለብሽ okay here is እዚህ so you should be here እዚህ መሆን አለብክ or እዚህ መሆን አለብሽ so to wait is መጠበቅ okay መጠበቂያ I cannot wait much ብዙ መጠበቅ አልችልም so to wait is also መቆየት መጠበቅ is also to protect someone okay I cannot wait መጠበቅ አልችልም or መቆየት አልችልም መቆየት is I think more common if you are talking about time መቆየት አልችልም I cannot wait much ብዙ መቆየት አልችልም okay ብዙ መቆየት አልችልም so you should learn መማር አለብክ you must learn French ፈረንሳይኛ የግድ መማር አለብክ or ፈረንሳይኛ የግድ መማር አለብሽ okay I'm not learning French so I am is ነኝ okay so I'm learning is እየተማርኩ ነው I'm learning እየተማርኩ ነው I'm not learning እየተማርኩ አይደለም okay እየተማርኩ አይደለም so try to say I'm not learning French ፈረንሳይኛ እየተማርኩ አይደለም I'm doing sport I'm working we say I'm working sport sport እየሰራው ነው so try to say I'm not working sport I'm learning French ስፖርት እየሰራው አይደለም ፈረንሳይኛ እየተማርኩ ነው ስፖርት እየሰራው አይደለም ፈረንሳይኛ እየተማርኩ ነው okay to call to make a call phone call is መደወል so she's eating እየበላች she's going እየሄደች so she's calling እየደወለች so to Abraham is in Amharic we say for Abraham ለአብርሃም okay she's calling to Abraham ለአብርሃም እየደወለች ነው ለአብርሃም እየደወለች ነው። So try to ask for whom is she calling? ለማን እየደወለች ነው? ለማን እየደወለች ነው? How would you ask same question to a man? ለማን እየደወልክ ነው? To whom are you calling? ለማን እየደወልክ ነው? Okay, so she is not calling. እየደወለች አይደለም። She is not learning. እየተማረች አይደለም። He is not calling. እየደወለ አይደለም። He is not calling. እየደወለ አይደለም። So to drive is መንዳት. Okay, so she is calling እየደወለች, she is learning እየተማረች. So to drive is መንዳት. She is driving እየነዳች እየነዳች. So try to say she is driving እየነዳች ነው. Okay, she is not calling to Abraham. ለአብርሃም እየደወለች አይደለም። ለአብርሃም እየደወለች አይደለም. Okay, so yet or early is ገና. Okay, ገና. So try to say it's early 9 o'clock, meaning 9 o'clock hasn't arrived yet. So ገና 9 ሰዓት ነው. It is 9 o'clock. Like somebody is assuming the time was much later than 9 o'clock, but it is 9 yet. So ገና ነው. I mean it's early. ገና ነው. Okay, ገና ነው. So I was is ነበርኩ. I was ነበርኩ. I was in Ethiopia. ኢትዮጵያ ነበርኩ or ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ነበርኩ. ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ነበርኩ. You were is ነበርክ and to a woman ነበርሽ. So ask a woman, you were in Ethiopia? ኢትዮጵያ ነበርሽ? ኢትዮጵያ ነበርሽ? Ask a man some question. ኢትዮጵያ ነበርክ? ኢትዮጵያ ነበርክ? So before is በፊት. So ask a woman, where were you before Ethiopia? So ከኢትዮጵያ በፊት የት ነበርሽ? ከኢትዮጵያ በፊት የት ነበርሽ? To a man, ከኢትዮጵያ በፊት የት ነበርክ? ከኢትዮጵያ በፊት የት ነበርክ? Where were you yesterday? ትላንት የት ነበርክ? ትላንት የት ነበርክ? or ትላንት የት ነበርሽ? Okay, where were you last week or past week? ባለፈው ሳምንት. ባለፈው ሳምንት የት ነበርክ? or ባለፈው ሳምንት የት ነበርሽ? Okay, so how would you say I was in Nairobi? Nairobi ነበርኩ. ናይሮቢ ነበርኩ. Outside is ውጪ. Okay, so for example to say a foreign country, ውጪ ሀገር. ውጪ ሀገር. I was out of Ethiopia. I was in foreign country. ውጪ ሀገር ነበርኩ. ውጪ ሀገር ነበርኩ. Okay, ውጪ ሀገር ነበርኩ. I was out of አዲስ አበባ. አዲስ አበባ ውጪ ነበርኩ. አዲስ አበባ ውጪ ነበርኩ። okay so I wasn't is አልነበርኩም so here is እዚህ there over there is እዛ I wasn't there እዛ አልነበርኩም okay እዛ አልነበርኩም I wasn't a teacher አስተማሪ አልነበርኩም I was a director ነበርኩ okay so to come is መምጣት so when will you come መቼ ትመጣለህ or to woman መቼ ትመጫለሽ so I don't know አላውቅም okay so try to say I was calling እየደወልኩ ነበር I wasn't driving እየነዳው አልነበረም okay እየነዳው አልነበረም I wasn't a chauffeur ሹፌር አልነበርኩም I wasn't driving እየነዳው አልነበረም okay so to talk is ማውራት so she's driving እየነዳች she's talking እያወራች so someone is in Amharic some person የሆነ ሰው with someone ከሆነ ሰው ጋር she's talking እያወራች ነው she's talking with someone ከሆነ ሰው ጋር እያወራች ነው who is she with or she is with who is man ከማን ጋር ነች okay so will you come on Friday to come is መምጣት you come ትመጣለህ or ትመጫለሽ አርብ ትመጫለሽ or አርብ ትመጣለህ maybe is ምናልባት okay so maybe I'm not sure ምናልባት እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም ምናልባት okay I will come on Friday አርብ እመጣለሁ next Sunday ቀጣይ እሁድ last Sunday ባለፈው እሁድ next week ቀጣይ ሳምንት last week ባለፈው ሳምንት so try to say maybe on Friday ምናልባት አርብ maybe I will call on Friday to call is መደወል I call እደውላለሁ maybe I will call on Friday ምናልባት አርብ ደውላለሁ maybe I will come on Friday ምናልባት አርብ እመጣለሁ otherwise is አለበለዚያ አለበለዚያ በለዚያ አለበለዚያ okay otherwise on Monday አለበለዚያ ሰኞ otherwise I will call on Monday አለበለዚያ ሰኞ ደውላለሁ okay አለበለዚያ ሰኞ ደውላለሁ so I want እፈልጋለሁ we want እንፈልጋለን we can እንችላለን okay እንችላለን so try to say we want 55 እንፈልጋለን okay we have is አለን so if you are mentioning a single thing you are going to say allen so we have one house okay or we have one dog and ውሻ አለን but if you want to say we have 5 dogs 5 ውሾች አሉን okay so here try to ask how many do we have ስንት አለን okay ስንት አለን how many people do we have ስንት ሰው አለን if you said ሰዎች ስንት ሰዎች አሉን because it's plural ስንት ሰዎች አሉን but in Amharic like both ways are understandable ስንት ሰዎች አሉን how many people do we have ስንት ሰዎች አሉን or ስንት ዶክተሮች አሉን how many doctors do we have or ስንት ዶክተር አለን okay so enough is ይበቃል it's enough ይበቃል is enough ይበቃል we have 50 is it's enough 50 አለን ይበቃል it's enough for this week ለዚህ ሳምንት ይበቃል it's enough for 20 people ለ20 ሰው ይበቃል okay so try to say we have to buy more is ተጨማሪ additional so we should buy more or additional to buy is መግዛት ተጨማሪ መግዛት አለብን how would you say we must buy የግድ መግዛት አለብን it's only 30 we must buy more 30 ብቻ ነው ተጨማሪ የግድ መግዛት አለብን okay so job is ስራ so he works is ይሰራል she works ትሰራለች she likes ትወዳለች okay so she can ትችላለች so it works ይሰራል okay so urgent is አስቸኳይ I have urgent meeting አስቸኳይ ስብሰባ አለኝ so to come back or to go back is መመለስ so I will go back to Ethiopia ወደ ኢትዮጵያ እመለሳለሁ I will come back later በኋላ እመለሳለሁ በኋላ እመለሳለሁ okay so we have one house አንድ ቤት አለን we have 3 kids ሶስት ልጆች አሉን so to make a noun a plural so ልጅ ልጆች we add och sound okay so how would you say we have 5 houses አምስት ቤቶች አሉን ቤት ቤቶች house houses okay we have many people ብዙ ሰዎች ሰው ሰዎች ሰው ሰዎች ዶክተር ዶክተሮች okay so we have a lot of doctors ብዙ ዶክተሮች አሉን ብዙ ዶክተሮች አሉን okay room is ክፍል so how would you say rooms ክፍሎች okay so try to ask how many rooms do we have ስንት ክፍሎች አሉን ስንት ክፍሎች አሉን is it enough for 20 people ለ20 ሰው በቂ ነው ለ20 ሰው በቂ ነው in fact 20 is plural so you could say ለ20 ሰዎች በቂ ነው but in Amharic we use sometimes the singular form in conversation ለ20 ሰው በቂ ነው or ለ20 ሰዎች በቂ ነው is it enough for 15 people ለ15 ሰው በቂ ነው or ለ15 ሰዎች በቂ ነው another is ሌላ okay ሌላ so try to say another food ሌላ ምግብ so try to say do you have another hotel ሌላ ሆቴል አለክ or ሌላ ሆቴል አለሽ do you have another room ሌላ ክፍል አለክ or ሌላ ክፍል አለሽ okay now try to say do we have another rooms ሌላ ክፍሎች አሉን or ሌላ ክፍል አለን okay option is አማራጭ do we have another option ሌላ አማራጭ አለን so in Amharic to search and to want is kind of the same መፈለግ okay so I'm searching is the same as I'm wanting okay so I want እፈልጋለሁ I search is also እፈልጋለሁ so I'm searching I'm learning እየተማርኩ I'm driving እየነዳሁ I'm going እየሄድኩ I'm searching እየፈለኩ or I'm wanting እየፈለኩ or I'm looking for so try to say I'm looking for another hotel ሌላ ሆቴል እየፈለኩ ነው I'm looking for another place or space is ቦታ ሌላ ቦታ እየፈለኩ ነው hurry up it's urgent ቶሎ በል or to woman ቶሎ በይ meaning say quick or something like that say is bell or bay so ቶሎ በል አስቸኳይ ነው it's urgent አስቸኳይ ነው so we have is አለን we don't have is የለንም we don't have so we don't have any time ምንም ጊዜ የለንም okay so to know is ማወቅ so to know ማወቅ So you can ትችላለህ you like ትወዳለህ you know ታውቃለህ okay to a woman you can ትችያለሽ you want ትፈልጊያለሽ you know ታውቂያለሽ so ask a woman do you know another hotel ሌላ ሆቴል ታውቂያለሽ ሌላ ሆቴል ታውቂያለሽ how would you ask a man ሌላ ሆቴል ታውቃለህ ሌላ ሆቴል ታውቃለህ okay how would he respond I don't know other hotel or I don't know any other hotel ሌላ ምንም ሆቴል አላውቅም ሌላ another ምንም any ሆቴል አላውቅም ሌላ ምንም ሆቴል አላውቅም ሌላ ምንም ሆቴል አላውቅም only this one ይሄ ብቻ or ይሄኛው ብቻ so important is ወሳኝ meaning decisive okay so this is very important ይሄ በጣም ወሳኝ ነው okay so try to say this task or this job is very important ይሄ ስራ በጣም ወሳኝ ነው ይሄ ስራ በጣም ወሳኝ ነው okay so to find is ማግኘት to search is መፈለግ looking for to find is when you get something okay so ማግኘት so you have to find a solution solution is መፍትሄ so you have to find a solution መፍትሄ ማግኘት አለብክ or መፍትሄ ማግኘት አለብሽ I'm looking for or I'm searching እየፈለኩ ነው you must find it የግድ ማግኘት አለብሽ okay የግድ ማግኘት አለብሽ to finish መጨረስ right so we should finish until 8 o'clock እስከ 8 ሰዓት መጨረስ አለብን አለብን sound of it እስከ 8 ሰዓት መጨረስ አለብን so idea is ሐሳብ and mathematics is ሂሳብ also sometimes we use the word mathematics or ሂሳብ to refer to a bill or paycheck okay so ሂሳብ is mathematics literally idea is ሐሳብ I have one idea አንድ ሐሳብ አለኝ meaning I have an idea አንድ ሐሳብ አለኝ I have another idea ሌላ ሐሳብ አለኝ okay so per week is per is be so be translated to a lot of things in Amharic like in by a lot of English words translate to be in this case per is be per week በሳምንት per day በቀን so how many days per week በሳምንት ስንት ቀን how many days per week do you work በሳምንት ስንት ቀን ትሰራለህ or በሳምንት ስንት ቀን ትሰሪያለሽ okay so when will you come መቼ ትመጣለህ or መቼ ትመጫለሽ okay when will he come so he works ይሰራል he likes ይወዳል he come ይመጣል when will he come መቼ ይመጣል? መቼ ይመጣል? I want to go to Adama with him. With him, I want to go to Adama. ከሱ ጋር አዳማ መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ። ከሱ ጋር አዳማ መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ። I have to አለብኝ። I don't have to የለብኝም። የለብኝም። I don't have to call መደወል የለብኝም። መደወል የለብኝም። You have to search or use want. You have to want. መፈለግ መፈለግ አለብክ። You have to find it. ማግኘት አለብክ። ማግኘት አለብክ። So outside of አዲስ አበባ አዲስ አበባ ውጪ without is ያለ with ጋር for example with coffee ከቡና ጋር without coffee ያለ ቡና ያለ ቡና okay so you can go without visa ያለ ቪዛ መሄድ ትችላለህ ያለ ቪዛ መሄድ ትችላለህ without you ያላንተ or ያላንቺ so to move is መንቀሳቀስ like to travel by your own or to explore or sometimes to dance is also to move መንቀሳቀስ so you can move in Addis Ababa without me አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ ያለኔ መንቀሳቀስ ትችላለህ አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ ያለኔ መንቀሳቀስ ትችያለሽ to a woman without cash so cash is raw money ጥሬ ብር ያለ ጥሬ ብር you can buy መግዛት ትችላለህ ያለ ጥሬ ብር መግዛት ትችላለህ so per is per hour በሰዓት by is also by bicycle በbicycle okay you can move by bicycle በባይስክል መንቀሳቀስ ትችላለህ or በባይስክል መንቀሳቀስ ትችያለሽ you can move by taxi በታክሲ መንቀሳቀስ ትችያለሽ to ask is መጠየቅ መጠየቅ so English the language is እንግሊዘኛ Amharic አማርኛ Chinese ቻይንኛ so to say in English you add okay so in English በአማርኛ I mean በእንግሊዘኛ in Amharic በአማርኛ you can ask መጠየቅ ትችላለህ or መጠየቅ ትችያለሽ okay you can ask in English በእንግሊዘኛ መጠየቅ ትችላለህ or በእንግሊዘኛ መጠየቅ ትችያለሽ okay so for example you can how would you say what is it ምንድነው so try to ask what is lion in Amharic lion in Amharic what is it lion በአማርኛ ምንድነው lion በአማርኛ ምንድነው okay lion በአማርኛ ምንድነው or tourist በአማርኛ ምንድነው what is tourist in Amharic okay so I'm studying እያጠናው to study is ማጥናት to learn መማር okay so I'm studying medicine እያጠናው ነው I'm studying law ህግ እያጠናው ነው ህግ law is law ህግ እያጠናው ነው I want to become a lawyer so lawyer is ጠበቃ so as I told you earlier to wait is መቆየት also sometimes መጠበቅ to protect someone so lawyer is protector ጠበቃ okay መጠበቅ to protect lawyer ጠበቃ is both words are made up of the same root word lawyer ጠበቃ I want to become a lawyer ጠበቃ መሆን እፈልጋለሁ What do you know about law? About is ስለ Okay ስለ ህግ ምን ታውቃለህ or ስለ ህግ ምን ታውቂያለሽ I don't know anything ምንም አላውቅም I didn't know anything ምንም አላውቅም ነበር I didn't know anything before በፊት ምንም አላውቅም ነበር I'm studying now አሁን እያጠናው ነው I'm learning a lot of things now አሁን ብዙ ነገር እየተማርኩ ነው What are you looking for or what are you searching for ምን እየፈለክ ነው or ምን እየፈለክሽ ነው I'm going to church ቸርች እየሄድኩ ነው Where are you going የት እየሄድክ ነው or የት እየሄድሽ ነው What are you looking for ምን እየፈለክ ነው or ምን እየፈለክሽ ነው What are you doing ምን እያደረግክ ነው or ምን እያደረግሽ ነው But in Amharic most of the time we say what are you working ምን እየሰራክ ነው or ምን እየሰራሽ ነው Whom are you working with With who are you working ከማን ጋር እየሰራክ ነው or ከማን ጋር እየሰራሽ ነው